Hey everybody, it's Jonathan with EXP. I'm out here in Chesapeake in the Norfolk Highlands area, which is between Providence Road and Indian River. Old neighborhood. This house is old. It was built in 1964. It's recently been refurbished, as you can see as I'm panning around and talking. So let's walk through here. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,000 square foot, and we'll show its quirks and features. Here we are looking at the front window. It's a nice picturesque window. Roll around. Oh, got to go widescreen. There we go. Like I said, it's only 1,000 square foot, so they did a really good job replacing the floor, stone countertops. It's a nice kitchen. Washroom or laundry room with water tank behind the door. This, they managed to get a full bath in here. Head back out this way. Just your standard closet right there. Another full bath redone completely too with stone. Very nice. Turn 180. First bedroom. Front of the house, next to the living room. The furthest bedroom out, they're all roughly about the same size, within about a foot of each other. Yeah. All right, let's make our way outside. Here we are in the backyard. Nice size garage over there, workshop. So this yard goes back pretty far. Pretty far. New roof, new AC, new doors, new windows, new rail. Lots of options back here. A lot of room for fun. Another thing I would like to add, they went through and replaced every outlet, every switch, all the cabinets in the kitchen. I just realized where's that? Yeah, this backsplash goes all the way up. Very nice. They took the time and did everything nice and neat in here. Every fixture's new, light fixture, panel, very good. If you like today's content of this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see other videos that I've made, please subscribe. Have a good day.